Dear parent, can we talk about one habit which quietly harms your child's health every day? Using mobile phones during mealtime just to make your child eat without drama. When brain is occupied with screen, it doesn't listen to tummy. So kids end up overeating, undereating. They become picky and they don't really enjoy the food. So, over a period of time, this leads to loss of appetite, sleep problems, weight problems, constipation, and food fussiness. Because here, food is linked to screen, not hunger. So, try this at least one meal every day without using mobile phones, where you sit, talk, and eat together. Because as a doctor, I choose connection over convenience. So, start small and be patient.